So shout out to Jerry Rig Everything, as always, for posting the durability test for the Z Fold 7. But let's just talk about this. So obviously, yes, Z Fold 7 is the thinnest phone on the planet. Thinnest foldable phone on the planet. It is insanely thin. And it survived. And I pause for this because it blows my mind. It survived the durability test, including the bend test of Jerry Rig Everything. Now, he does bend it from this side, and it does flex a little bit, but it does not break. Zero break at all. And by the way, zero Z Fold devices ever broke from, well, not ever, but as of recently have broke from Jerry Rig Everything. So you can see from this side, works fine. And then he does the unthinkable, the open bend test, which he even says himself. I think everyone watching thought the same thing. This is it. GG. It's going to break. There's not even a question. Why wouldn't it? Does not break. Does bend a lot, right? And he does say how the frame pops, but the screen works perfect. No issue at all. Screen works perfect. Even though he does, again, put a lot of pressure. And this guy, he's a strong guy, puts a lot of pressure on that phone. Does not break. Which boggles my mind. Because I really thought, I think a lot of people thought, this is it. Like, the second he puts out that video, this is going to kill the Z Fold 7 because so many people are going to see it and see how easily it breaks. But not the case. I mean, again, shout out to Jerry Everything. But more importantly, shout out to Samsung. I think that they need a lot of credit after this because with how thin, truly thin this phone is, the fact it does not break when he does this is, I mean, that's insane. That's absolutely insane. The foldable phone inside, the screen inside is okay. Now, if you're wondering what this is from the burn test. He does a burn test on these phones. Obviously, the inside's a plastic glass layer, so it's going to burn. But even with that being said, I mean, that is, I'm beyond the beyond. And I might sound like I'm crazy reaction-wise, but I think everyone expected going into this, it was going to be GG. Like, there was no way. Still a great phone, still an amazing phone, still have everything you want, but come on now. Foldable phone test, I mean, this thing is too thin. This thing, if you see any of the iPads that Apple has released over the last 5 years, they bend like nothing. Like, they snap in half within seconds if you bend them. Especially the 13 inches, 12.9 inch, those ones, they bend like crazy. Not the case with this. So Samsung, Samsung, because apparently they have something going on that we don't know about. Peace out, guys.